How's it going, guys? It's Abi Bear again. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create Klaviyo SMS marketing for your Shopify store. I'm going to be showing you everything step by step from A to Z. So we are going to start from how to set up SMS consent. I'm also going to be showing you how to get SMS subscribers, using all these methods here from a Shopify store to social media to packaging inserts and also creating the sign-up form. I'm also going to be showing you how to create SMS flow as well as SMS segments. And lastly, I'm going to show you how to create and send SMS campaigns. In today's world of e-commerce marketing, where everybody is looking for ways to increase their sales and profit, SMS marketing is one of those ways you can do that. With SMS marketing, you can communicate with your customers in a personal level and also use it to increase your sales and profit. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So the first one we're going to be talking about here is how to set up SMS consent. So if you haven't set up SMS marketing before, this is what your SMS page will look like. So basically you want to go to the settings on the left here, and when you arrive on the settings page, it's going to look like this if it's a new account. So you want to click on set up SMS for free. The next thing, you want to choose the countries you plan to send SMS to. So I'm just going to choose the top 3 here. You can select more if you plan to send to other countries, and you just want to fill up your company information. Just fill up all this information here and just click on next. So here it's going to tell you, let's confirm your sending information. Basically you just want to pick up your branded sender ID and also your company name, and you just want to click on next. And here it's going to ask you, do you want to create a sign-up form or you want to upload SMS subscribers? So like I said, I'm going to be showing you how to collect subscribers. So here, let me walk you through a couple of settings in the SMS page. So here on the SMS page, you see the sender information, your sending number based on what we filled out before. And here you see your company information as well as SMS add-ons. So the next one is sender preferences. Here the smart sending is 24 hours. And here you will see SMS quiet hours, which is like 8 p.m. to 11 a.m. in the recipient's time zone. The next one is automation. This part is already filled up for you by Klaviyo. You can leave everything the way it is. But if you want, you can also edit a couple of things there. Here on the subscribe keyword, you can actually create a keyword. So this keyword is going to be attached to the form. The next one is the quick responses. So you can also create a quick response or just use the Klaviyo default. And here you will see the subscribe link. So this is where you can actually create a link. Like I mentioned earlier, you can create a specific link and a specific keyword for people, to join your SMS subscribers based on wherever you want them to come from. So again, if you want to create a link for your social media subscribers, you can actually create a link here and have that in your bio where people can actually subscribe to your SMS list. Lastly is the short links. You don't need to worry about this. You can just use the Klaviyo short links and you can just start with that. Let's start with how to get SMS subscribers. So as you can see here, there are a lot of ways to get SMS subscribers, but I'm going to be touching on a couple of them. So the first one is using your Shopify checkout. So basically what that means is that on your checkout page here, you see something like this where when people put in their phone number, they can actually subscribe to receive SMS marketing from you. So to have that, you want to go to your settings on your Shopify form and go to checkout. So here you will see where it says marketing options, and you can just check in the SMS marketing option there. So that will activate this part where people can actually subscribe to SMS marketing on your Shopify store. The second way is basically using your social media. So on your social media pages, you want to remind people that they can subscribe to your SMS, and you want to give them an irresistible offer that will entice them to sign up to your SMS marketing. And you can also have a link on your bio where people can actually go to and sign up to your SMS marketing. Another way of doing this is using packaging inserts. So whenever you send product to your customers, you can actually have a packaging insert that thank the customer and also ask them to subscribe to your SMS marketing so they can receive a discount on their next purchase. And the last one here is the sign-up form. So this is basically where we're going to be using our sign-up form to collect SMS subscribers. So to create a sign-up form that you're going to be using to collect SMS subscribers, you basically want to go to sign-up form on your Klaviyo, and here you will see a couple of forms here, and you can just choose any one you want, or just click on email and numbers to filter down a little bit. But there's one we normally use that is really good, and we've been testing this out for lots of our clients and we've been getting amazing results there, and that is the one we called the multi-step discount ladder, which basically means that we are using a single form to collect email and SMS subscribers. So you can see here we said enter your email below to receive your 15% discount code. So whenever somebody puts in their email address and they click on this button, it's going to take them to the next page, which is where we now collect phone numbers for SMS marketing purposes. So you can see here, want an extra 10% off, enter your phone number below to receive your 25% discount code. So you can see here on the first page, we are giving them 15% discount. And on the second page, we are giving them extra 10% discount, which is now 25%. And because this offer is really good, people normally sign up for the extra 10%. So basically, we have a phone number box here. To do that, you just want to click on add blocks. And here you will see where you can actually add phone number block. You just want to drag that here. This is where people will put in the phone number. And the button here says text me the 25% discount code. But what you want to make sure you're doing here is you are sending these SMS subscribers, you are sending them to a separate list. So you want to have a list called SMS subscribers list where people will go to when they sign up to SMS. So you want to make sure this button here is putting people to a specific list for SMS subscribers. Here's where we show them the SMS consent. And you can go to SMS settings that I showed you earlier to edit the consent form. Another thing I like about the Klaviyo SMS is this mobile sign-up form. So basically, if somebody is viewing this form on their mobile phone, click on this button here after putting their phone number, it's going to take them directly to their mobile SMS app, right? So you can also configure this message to whatever you want. You can see here we are saying, send this text to activate your 25% discount and subscribe to SMS. So whenever somebody click on this button, it's going to take them to the app, like I said, to their messaging app, and they will see this preloaded message there. And all they need to do is just, send this message to you, and now they will receive their discount code. And also they'll be subscribed to the SMS marketing. So the next one is how to create SMS flows so you can start sending SMS messages to people who sign up to your SMS list. So to create your SMS flow, you basically want to go to flows, and you can start from scratch, or you can just pick from all the SMS flows here. So you can just filter in by clicking on SMS, and that's going to show you some preloaded SMS flows. So let's say you want to create SMS flow for people who subscribe to our SMS list on the form. So the trigger for this flow is when someone subscribes to SMS marketing, and we have a profile filter here which says place order 0 times since starting this flow. So basically what that means is that if somebody comes to this flow and they receive the first SMS message and then placed an order from this message here, we don't want them to keep receiving the rest of the message in the flow. Basically want to take them out of this flow and take them to the post-purchase flow. First message is where we deliver the offer, the 25% discount we gave on the sign-up form, and the second message is going to go out after 1 day, which is basically we reminding them of the offer. This is how we set up a simple welcome SMS flow. And also you can create out of SMS flow like the browser abandonment SMS flow, abandon cart reminder, order confirmation, and all of that. So I'm going to be showing you a couple of examples. Let's start with the browser abandonment. So to create the browser abandonment flow, we basically just need to click on browser abandonment, and here you just want to click on create flow. So that's how to create the browser abandonment flow. Like I said, you can also create for abandon cart reminder and also the added to cart reminder. The next one is creating SMS segments. To create SMS segment is very simple. All you need to do is go to your list and segment, then click on create segment. So you just want to do SMS subscribers, so you can do that, SMS subscribers, and just click on definition would be if someone can receive or not receive marketing. So you click on that, and you can see this person can receive SMS marketing. If you want, you can add some filters there, but I'll just leave that for now, and I'll just click on create segment. So that's how to create SMS subscriber segment. And now we want to send campaigns to those segments. So I'm going to be showing you how to create and send SMS campaigns. Creating SMS campaign is quite easy. All you need to do is go to your campaigns and click on create campaign. Here it's going to ask you, do you want to create email campaign or SMS campaign? So here I'm going to click on SMS. I just want to click on save and continue. So you can pick SMS subscribers like we choose before, then click on continue to content. So here you can just configure the content and write in whatever you want. So I'm gonna say spring sale is on, enjoy 25% off. So just an example, and you want to have your website link here. So this is the link that people will go to when they receive this SMS message. So I'm going to have that there. See that? I just want to click on save. Now you can schedule and send out your SMS message. Another way to send SMS campaign is when you send an email campaign. So whenever you send an email campaign here, I'm just going to show you here. Let's say I want to schedule and send this email campaign here, and I choose, let me choose another date, and I click on schedule. So it's going to ask me if I want to send SMS. So you can see here your campaign is waiting to go. Do you want to add SMS? So here I click on add SMS campaign. So Klaviyo is going to create this campaign for me using the content I have in the email campaign. So it's going to create that as an SMS campaign. So here you can see the message is already pre-filled for me. This is another simple way to create SMS campaign and send SMS campaigns to your SMS subscribers. So that's how to set up your SMS marketing for a Shopify store using Klaviyo, and this is how you can start making money from your SMS subscribers. That'll be all for this video. If you find the video valuable, please like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions for me, you can leave them in the comment section below, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.